this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook lists for marketing. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are into affiliate marketing and make money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up here. How to create Facebook lists for marketing is what we're going to get into. If you're a marketer that wants to use your Facebook profile for business and you don't want your friends and family to see your posts, this is what you want to do. Also, you can use these lists to segment into different businesses. If you have multiple things that you're promoting, you can make separate lists and send your post to these individuals instead of having everybody in your timeline see it. So this is a very valuable feature within Facebook. So let's get into Facebook right now. Now you want to get into this little home icon here. This is the new Facebook version. If you're still using the classic, you can switch it right here in this drop down arrow. Switch to classic Facebook, or you can go there to switch to the new version. This new version is really nice. It's really clean. Once you get used to it, it's the classic. It's definitely not worth using. It's not 100% complete yet, but I think it's got to be 90% done, this new version of Facebook. So go to the home button. Off here to the left, go to see more. Go down to friend lists. And all right, you're going to see I already have some lists here, but you can simply go to create list, put list name, and then you can start adding members and then create. Note that whoever you add to this list, they don't get notified they're on a list. So you don't have to worry about people getting notified that you're putting them on a particular list. Facebook doesn't notify them. So let's say if you're promoting, let's say, a crypto offer and you're promoting, I don't know, sales funnel software, whatever the case may be, you might not want to intermingle what you're promoting on your friends list. So that's what this is perfect for. One thing to note that isn't cool, and it's been like this for a couple of years, and it used to actually work. You can add people to this list, but for some reason you can't take them off the list unless you go in manually to each one of these, and you can take them off the list that way. But if you go to see all, before you used to be able to take them off the list this way. For some reason, it's a glitch within Facebook. You can't take them off the list this way. It just keeps on spinning. But if you go in, if you click on this little circle here, it's going to pull up the person's profile. Then you can go to this little person icon with the check that says friends and edit friends list, and you can uncheck it off your friends, off that crypto list, or whatever the name is that you made the list. Okay, so that's how you would take people off the list. It's kind of tedious, and it doesn't actually show every person, right here. Hopefully Facebook fixes that soon with this new version of Facebook. But now let's get to the post. So you can see right here it says create post. Let's just type something up real quick. Best crypto offer. Okay, and now right now it says newsfeed and it says crypto right here. Just go ahead and hit post, and that post is only going to go to the crypto list. Another way to do it is to go to your profile, and you can go to what's on your mind, and right here, drop down menu, it's already on crypto for me, but you can see though, you can make it public here, show it to only friends. You can show it only to yourself, or you can pick one of these lists that you created. So pretty powerful stuff. There's a lot of cool things that you can do um, with this feature called Facebook lists. Now let me show you how to do it in the old version if you're still using that. Same concept. We're going to switch to the classic version of Facebook. Okay. You want to go to the Home tab, Home button here. Off to the side, you want to click on Explore, See More, Friends List. And same thing. Here's all the lists. Pretty simple, guys. That's how you create Facebook lists for marketing. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. If you want to learn more about Facebook marketing and how to turn your profile into a money-making machine, comment down below as well, and I'll tell you how it's done. If you guys want the free affiliate marketing course, also comment down below free course, and I will send it to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell